Their name already gives you a clue about their looks. Yellow-breasted capuchins have golden yellow fur on their chest, belly, and upper arms. They are medium-sized primates with round heads and strong bodies. They also have a strikingly long tail which they use a lot when they climb. Yellow-breasted capuchins live in the Atlantic rainforests of Brazil.
Two bedrooms apartment.
Yellow-breasted capuchins are extremely social primates. They live in groups that vary in size from 10 to 30 animals, including multiple males and females. These primates do not like sitting still. They are active from morning to night, doing all sorts of things including foraging. Yellow-breasted capuchins use a variety of sounds to make things clear to each other, including growling and screeching. They also communicate with each other using facial expressions. One of these expressions is the frowning of their eyebrows / the forehead to give off threats to their congeners. Yellow-breasted capuchins are very clever primates. For example, they know how to use tools. They use stones as a kind of hammer and anvil to crack open nuts, and they use sticks to catch small prey. Yellow-breasted capuchins also rub themselves with the leaves of strong-smelling plants. They do this to keep nasty insects at bay, like a kind of insect repellent spray.